In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an account on Slack. Slack is a team communication platform, and creating an account is the first step to start conversations, share files, and keep projects organized. Take your time and follow along with what you see on screen, because the process is designed to be straightforward. First, enter your email address and click Continue. On the screen, you will usually see a field for your email and a button labeled Continue. Make sure you type your email correctly, because Slack will send a verification message to that address. After you click Continue, allow a few moments for the next page to load, since Slack needs to generate your verification request. Next, check your email inbox for the verification code, which is also called the confirmation code. This email is sent by Slack and may take a minute to arrive. Be sure to check your inbox first, and if you do not see it quickly, look at your spam or promotions folders. When you find the email, you will see a code made of digits. Keep the email open because you will need that code right away. Now you will enter the 6-digit code on the Slack webpage. Return to the Slack sign-up page and find the place where it asks for the confirmation code. Type the 6 digits carefully, matching each number exactly as shown in the email. If there is an option to resend the code, you can use it only if you did not receive the code or it expired. Once you enter the correct digits, proceed to the next step to continue creating your account. After the verification step, enter your full name and create a password, then click Next. The name field is where Slack will display who you are to other members of your workspace. Choose a password that you can remember and that follows the on-screen guidelines, such as using enough characters and avoiding easily guessed patterns. Once you have filled in your full name and password, click Next to move forward. This step is important because it finalizes your basic account information. Once you reach the Workspace section, you will follow the on-screen prompts to either create a new workspace or join an existing one. A workspace is the space where teams coordinate and communicate. If you are starting fresh, you will choose the option to create a new workspace, and then Slack will guide you through setting it up. If you already have a team and someone has provided an invitation, you can choose the option to join an existing workspace and follow the prompts to connect. As you select the option that fits your situation, pay attention to the details shown on the screen. For example, Slack may ask for the workspace name when creating a new one, or it may ask for information related to joining when you already have an invite. Follow each prompt carefully, since these screens ensure you end up in the right place with the right team. When you finish these prompts, your account is set up and you are ready to use Slack. You can then begin customizing your experience, such as setting preferences and getting ready to communicate with your team or your new workspace members. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.